Do you have a lot of ironing and not a lot of time? Ironing your shirts can be a time-wasting chore, and paying for dry cleaning is a money-wasting bore. But now there's a way to finish your ironing chore faster than ever before. Introducing Ironing Genie from JML, the revolutionary time-saving trick that can cut your ironing time in half. Ironing Genie's flexible design easily slips into your shirt sleeves for easier ironing, and expands to spread your shirt sleeves perfectly flat on the ironing board. Just iron one side and both sides come out fresh pressed and wrinkle-free all at once. The secret is the Ironing Genie's spring-like flexible rod. It expands to smooth out the fabric so that you can iron one pass fast. There's no more flipping and smoothing on both sides. In one pass, you iron both sides of the sleeve all at once. Just imagine how much time you'll save.
I hate ironing, but now that I have the Ironing Genie, it cuts my ironing time in half.
I find that I'm saving money now because I'm not taking my laundry to the dry cleaners. I can just do it at home with my Ironing Genie.
I'm not very good at ironing, but with the Ironing Genie, I get perfect results every single time, and it's fast.
Ironing Genie comes with a magnetic ironing board mount for handy storage. There's never been anything like Ironing Genie to help you get done with a chore and out the door faster than ever before. Stop wasting time with ironing chores and start blasting through creases like never before with the Ironing Genie from JML. Take yours to the checkout now.